Good day guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Google Authenticator not working on Android. So this is our Authenticator app, so this one by Google. If it acts out, let us just open it up. So if you have multiple accounts in here and you, for example, don't receive the codes, your codes don't update or you can't add it, there's can be some issues. So make sure that your app is freshly installed. Then if you have an account that you already use, it's fine. You can just remove the code from here, right? It's one of the ways to fix this. And then just add it again. Just press add a code, then you scan the QR code or enter the key in here. Like this. You just enter the code name, your key, and just add it. If none of this works, we can just go ahead into our settings for the app. All right, now you go and long press on Authenticator, go app info, and then you can just reinstall it if you wish. That's also can work and help you. If not, you can just go to storage and then you can just clear the cache. That might help. If that doesn't help, clear the storage. But make sure to understand that clearing the storage will make sure that you're logged out of all of your accounts and you will have to set up everything from the scratch, from the fresh. So you can just do that, clear the storage, and now if I go back, for example, to Authenticator, now as you can see, everything is just from the clean slate. I can just get started, choose my account, continue, log in, and now I can add my fresh codes in here, and this should fix you guys. That's it. Hopefully this assists you. If it did, like and subscribe.